Welcome to Edupedia World Videos. In our today's lecture, we will discuss about alcohols, physical properties of alcohols, properties of methanol and uses of methanol. Alcohol. An alcohol is an organic compound in which hydroxyl group, that is OH, is attached to an alkyl group. An alcohol is represented by ROH. It is represented as ROH, where OH is the alcoholic group. The hydroxyl group, that is OH, is the functional group in the alcohols, and R is the alkyl group. Alcohols are also considered as monohydroxy derivatives of alkane. An alcohol is obtained by replacing hydrogen atom in an alkane by a hydroxyl group. General formula of alkane is CnH2n plus 1, while general formula of alcohol is CnH2n plus 1 OH. Name of the alkyl group, then alcohol, which will give us name of the alcohol. Suppose N is equal to 1. Then the formula of alcohol is CH3OH, which is methanol. When we substitute N equal to 2, the formula of alcohol is C2H5OH, means ethanol. So a hydrogen atom of methane is replaced by a hydroxyl group, that is OH. Methanol is obtained. And when a hydrogen atom of ethane is replaced by a hydroxyl group, ethanol is obtained. Now, physical properties of alcohols. Alcohol contains 1 to 10 carbon atoms are colorless liquids, and alcohols containing more than 10 carbon atoms are colorless solids. Lower alcohols have a characteristic odor and burning taste. Boiling point. The boiling point of alcohols increases with increase in molecular mass. This is because an alcohol with higher molecular mass requires more heat energy to get it boiled. So, hence an alcohol containing larger amount of carbon atoms exhibits higher boiling point than an alcohol containing lesser number of carbon atoms. Now, solubility. The solubility of alcohols in water decreases with increase in the number of carbon atoms. The lower alcohols such as methanol and ethanol are soluble in water in all proportions. Since alcohols are covalent compounds, they are soluble in organic solvents such as chloroform, benzene, carbon tetrachloride and hexane. Action on litmus. Alcohols are neutral compounds and hence they do not have any effect on litmus. Since alcohols are neutral compounds, they do not react with NaOH solution. Now, electrical conductivity. Alcohols are covalent compounds. They do not conduct electricity. Now we will discuss properties of methanol. Methanol is a colorless, sweet-smelling liquid which boils at 64.5 degrees Celsius. Methanol is soluble in water in all proportion. It is inflammable and forms an explosive mixture with oxygen. Methanol is extremely poisonous. When taken internally, it affects vision, causes blindness and even death. Hence, it is added to ethanol to make it unfit for human consumption. Ethanol containing some methanol, which is approximately 10%, and a small amount of pyridine and a green or purple dye is called methylated spirit or denatured alcohol. Now, chemical properties. First, combustion. Methanol burns in air or oxygen to form carbon dioxide and water with the release of heat. And the chemical reaction is like this. Reaction with sodium. Methanol reacts with sodium, forming sodium methoxide with the evolution of hydrogen. The reaction is used as a test for methanol. Reaction with soda lime. HCONa is formed, which is sodium methanoate, along with evolution of hydrogen. Now, esterification reaction. Methanol reacts with ethanoic acid in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid to form a sweet-smelling ester methyl acetate. This process is known as esterification, and the product formed is methyl ethanoate. Now, uses of methanol. Methanol is used as a solvent for paints, varnishes, gum, resin, celluloid, oils and fats. It is used for denaturing ethanol, rendering it unfit for human consumption. It is used in the manufacture of perfumes, varnishes, dyes and drugs. It is used in the manufacture of methanol, that is formaldehyde, which is used for making formalin and plastics. It is used as an anti-freezing agent in automobile radiators. It is also used as a motor fuel with petrol. Thank you for watching Edupedia World Videos.